Tú con tu palabra espectacular. Tú eres un monstruo.
Ya vamos allá al ¿cómo se llama?
¿A dónde?
Al train station, vamos.
Ahora vamos al train station. Ahora vamos a una foto. Di hola, papi.
Hello.
Hi. Now here are the footsteps of the snow. It's all white and blurry. Right now we're at the park. We're going to the train station. La estación de tren. My hand is numb. Mano no siento mi mano. Woo! That was slippery to be. The string costs a little money. Have to be very careful. Oh, this place where the park when you do exercises. That part. Right, so far we're recording a minute and 34 seconds. No, a minute and 40 seconds.
North Elizabeth. Are you filming?
Huh? North Elizabeth Station. Yes.
This is North Elizabeth Station.
It's North Elizabeth Station we're heading to. It's off the Chiz. Of course, to me. 2 minutes top right now. Woo!
Vamos a ver.
Okay.
A ver dónde pasa el tren.
Train station, here we come.
Watch your camera.
Oh, it's gonna be hard. Step, step, step. There's trucks and cars. That's a taxi. That's a Honda. Another Honda. Now we're just running.
Watch your
Step, 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 walking. Step, 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 step. Okay. It's 3 minutes top right now. Those are the train tracks and stuff like that. Too sweet. From far away, a train comes. Can crush it all down. But luckily, since I'm in school right now, it's today's President's Day. By the way, happy President's Day. We're learning electricity and magnets. And that they have one big electricity and a big magnet for a train tracks. So it's fun when you go to 4th grade and learn that.
Don't record more.
Okay. Put it to stop.